When your Trane air conditioner shows error codes or starts acting up, a simple reset can often clear minor glitches caused by power interruptions or sensor misreads. Most Trane units don't have a dedicated reset button, so the safest and most effective method is a power reset using the circuit breaker. Start by turning the air conditioner off at the thermostat to prevent any electrical issues. Next, locate your home's circuit breaker panel, usually in the garage, basement, or utility area, and find the breaker labeled for the AC unit. Flip that breaker to the off position to completely cut power to the system. Leave the breaker off for at least 30 seconds and up to 10 minutes if the unit has been throwing repeated errors. This gives the system time to fully discharge and clear temporary faults. After waiting, switch the breaker back on and return to the thermostat to turn the air conditioner on again. If the unit starts up normally and the error code is gone, the reset was successful. If the same error returns, or the system still doesn't cool properly, it usually means there's a deeper issue, such as a sensor, wiring, or communication problem, and it's best to contact a qualified HVAC technician for further diagnosis.